Even though these emission regulations are not about energy efficiency, some of the equipment we provide does improve your boiler performance and reduces your fuel use. The utilities have rebate programs for this. So we have traveled to PG&E in San Francisco to find out what kind of rebates are available for your facility.
The CPUC, through customer-funded programs, has set aside a huge pot of money for these incentives. It's hundreds of millions of dollars. With regard to retrofit, the two biggest hitters probably are installing economizers on boilers, and the other big saver is putting variable speed drives on fans. We see typical incentives for these projects in the range of $10,000 all the way up to $100,000 for medium-sized boiler plants. For institution-type opportunities where you have multiple buildings, many boilers on the campus, we've seen incentives in the $100,000 to $500,000 plus range. Payoff on these projects is less than 2 years. That to me is one of the better deals you can get.
So Juan, there are many elements to your project. Why don't we start at the top if we can and run us through what you've done to this boiler.
Okay, we have installed a new economizer. We replaced the motor for the blower. We put new controls, but we usually used to have links on it before for this part over here. We actually put new controls over there. We have a new burner, okay? And we come this way. We got a new controller right here. And we also have a VFD for the motor. The VFD reduces and increases the speed of the motor on demand. So therefore, we don't waste in electricity. The motor doesn't have to be running at 60 hertz when it can be running at 30 hertz.
So if we take together all these things you've just pointed out to us that contribute to your savings, and there were rebates from your gas company, you guys have made money on this deal.
Yes, I believe we have. We have saved and actually maybe make some money on this deal. Yeah, and the return on investment on the entire project was approximate to be 1.5 years. And I believe we are still on track on that one.
As part of our comprehensive program, we bring into play energy rebates and even third parties that can help maximize the rebate available for your facility.